Good afternoon guys. We are again back on a very short session of doubt clearance. Like all of my friends are having doubts on what is this open choice which is mentioned in the official notification by VTU. So let me show you where is this mentioned right here. So here two things we need to consider is that exams will be in offline mode. In my previous video I have mentioned that all semester exams will be in offline mode. Kindly go and see the video, it is given in description. And second most important thing which we all consider about is this open choice question papers. Like what does it mean? All are confused, like what is open choice question paper? Is it open book test or not? No, it is not at all open book test. So let me explain you what is this open choice question paper and what you will be doing and how the question paper will be termed. So I have a very great video of Rangappa sir, and he is trying to explain us about this open choice. Let me show you the video, a brief, and then I will review what he is trying to say. So here it is, here is the video.
In open choice, as I said, for the current academic students who are in final year, where the instructions are incomplete and difficulties, we set question paper with open choice. It means earlier you had 5 units or 5 modules and you are expected to answer 5 questions, selecting 1 question from each module. That was the earlier model. Now we are taking it. Out of 10 questions, you can answer any 5 questions. You can select 2 from first module, 2 from second module, 1 from any other module. So this has been based on the instructions which were given before pandemic, the small whatever happened during online.
So yeah guys, here we are. Like sir is trying to say that due to this pandemic situation and a very grave discount, this step has been implemented. Like previous this sem, like before this sem, we were having question paper like this, which is on my screen right now. You could see it. Let me zoom it a bit. Yeah, here is the question paper and we had 2 questions from each module and we need to only question one of them. Like we are getting 20 marks for one module. However, how many questions we attempt, we were getting only 20 marks. So this new system which they have included only due to pandemic for this session only, for examinations of 2021 only, they have mentioned that you can even attempt both the questions of one module and you will get 40 marks. Let me clarify this. Like first of all, we were used to attempt only one question of module and we were getting 20 marks. And for getting full marks, we needed to study all the 5 modules and attempt all the 5 questions, one from each module. But if you want to score good in this exam, you only need to study 3 modules thoroughly. Yeah guys, it's true. See, if we attempt even 2 questions from one module, we will be getting 40 marks in one module only. So for example, if you are having strength in first module, second module, just go through it and attempt all the 4 questions in it. You will get 80 marks in just 2 modules. So the notification is only that we can attempt 2 modules from 2 questions from one module. So this is very great step from all the VTU and things. Like I am very thankful to them because this will be easifying our steps and it will less the burdens on the shoulders of students. So guys, I request all of you to be serious from now because exams came to be offline and they will be offline, and it is sure. I have gave all the notice and all the clarifications in my previous video. This video was only for open choice. So kindly go through it and just start studying. Open choice is very great for us. We can even score good marks if we study less also. But remember one thing, you need to be thorough through all the models. So guys, let me see you in next video. Till then, bye, take care and subscribe please. Thank you.